Do you want to know how to write gratitude? What is the correct way of writing gratitude so that you can get your dreams and desires and manifest them into your reality? Then keep watching. Hi, my name is Preeti. I'm your life coach and law of attraction guide. On this channel, we talk about law of attraction, manifestation methods, and of course, attracting abundance. So make sure you hit the big red subscribe button below and hit the bell notification so that you'll be the first one to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, how many of you write gratitude every day? Type me in the comment box if you write gratitude every day. For those of you who don't worry. In this video, I'm going to be answering all your questions so that you don't have any confusion, any doubt, and you will know how exactly to start writing gratitude. So don't worry. Are you willing to learn how to write gratitude? If you are willing to learn, type I am willing to learn so that I know that you are committed and willing to learn. Now, I've talked a lot about gratitude writing on my channel, but I've been getting a lot of requests from you guys asking about gratitude writing, and there's a lot of confusion and questions. So I wanted to make this video to address all of those questions. So let's begin. Now, I feel that gratitude is the fundamental, it's the foundation to law of attraction and for manifestation. Now, why is that? An attitude of gratitude is going to really help you acknowledge all the gifts that you already have. It'll help you see that I am being blessed by the universe already. And when you do that, your vibration raises. Instead of complaining about all the things that you don't have, I need, I want, I wish I had, all of those things are going to pull you down. But when you say, I already have an abundance, I have food, I have a roof over my head, I have good health. When you do that, you are acknowledging all the abundance that you already have. And as we know, where your focus goes, energy flows. And whatever you're focusing on, it grows. Now, in this case, you're focusing on abundance. Whatever you have right now, you're focusing on that, and you'll get more things to be grateful for. So gratitude is amazing, and I highly recommend each and every one of you to start practicing gratitude in your daily life. And I'm not going to say that you have to do it for 7 days or 21 days or any number of days. I'm here to tell you, incorporate that in your daily life lifelong, because gratitude brings miracles. It brings so many magical things into your life. If you go to all the success stories on my channel, I'm going to link it here. If you watch all of those, you will see people have manifested so many different things just using the power of gratitude. Now, how do you start with your gratitude practice? The way I teach my students is think about 10 things in your life that you're grateful for. It could be anything. It could be about the food you ate this morning, about your health, about some trip that you took when you were a kid. It does not matter. It could be something really small and inconsequential, or it could be something really big, like a really nice job or a car that you have. It does not matter whether it's small or big. What really matters is how you're feeling, how you're connected, and how you feel gratitude towards the universe for giving you those gifts. So every day, I want you to write 10 things you're grateful for. Now, I get this question a lot. What time should we write gratitude? Now, it really depends on you, your schedule, your routine. So you can decide, okay, I'm going to write gratitude every morning, or I'm going to write every night before going to bed. It does not really matter. What matters is your intention, the intention of giving gratitude, of acknowledging your gifts. That's what matters. Why? The reason why I tell people to pick a specific time is so that you get into the habit. You develop that routine when you know that, okay, every morning at 8 a.m. I'm going to write gratitude. So that will really help build that habit. But it does not have to be a particular time. If you're somebody who is very good with your time and you know that, even if I miss it at 8 a.m., I'm going to be able to catch up in the evening, that's fine. But most people find it difficult, which is why I recommend that you pick one time and stick to it. So that way you'll get into that habit. But it does not really matter whether you write it in the morning or evening or afternoon. You can do it anytime. The next question is, how do you write it? What should I exactly write? So the way I write my gratitude in my gratitude journal every day is something like, I am so grateful for, and then I write what I'm grateful for. I'm so grateful for the amazing lunch that I had today. I am so grateful for being in good health. So like that you can write. Or you can write something like, thank you universe for blessing me with such amazing parents. So it's up to you. What is important is how you feel, the emotions that you feel. If you just write it like a checklist activity, like, okay, she's told me to write 10 things, so let me write 10 things without feeling anything, it's of no use. Even if you write 100 things, it's of no use. Feelings, the emotion that you feel when you are writing is what counts. Okay? Another question that I get often is, can we repeat what we write gratitude for? And to that I want to say, look, we have so many amazing gifts. We have so many things to be grateful for. So there's no reason for you to repeat. We have just so many things, starting from your health. You can write 100 things about your health. You can thank the universe for the gift of vision, fact that you have 2 hands, fact that you have a sharp mind, fact that you have proper speech, every aspect of your body. Then you can think about all the gifts that you have in terms of your family, all the people in your family who love and care for you. Now, if you go and think about it individually, there are so many things that are already wonderful and amazing in your life for which you need to be grateful for. So if you write just 10 things today, I don't think that you need to repeat them because you have so many different things. It just means if you feel like, I don't know what to write, it just means you're not thinking hard enough. You're not looking and appreciating at all the gifts. And that is exactly what the intent of this activity is, to open your eyes and see all the abundance around you already existing. Okay, so I would highly recommend that you start applying your mind and appreciate all the things. And like I said, it does not have to be something very big like a car or a house. It could be something very simple like a text message from a friend when you are feeling down. That's something to be grateful for. So like that, I want you to start appreciating every little thing in your life and start writing it. All right, just 10 things every day. Another question that I get is, do we have to write gratitude with a pen of any specific color? So this is not a ritual in the sense that you need to write it with a red pen or green pen or something like that. You can write with anything. You can write with a pen, pencil, does not really matter. What matters, like I said in the beginning, is your connection, is your emotions, and that feeling of gratitude. Because ultimately what we want to do is develop that attitude of gratitude. All right? The next question is, for how many days should I write gratitude? And I kind of answered it in the beginning, but there is no specific day. The reason why I say write for at least 21 days is because when you write for 21 days, you get into that habit of writing gratitude, and slowly you will start noticing small changes happening. In fact, people who are part of my 21 Days of Gratitude program have seen miracles, huge changes. They've had opportunities to heal relationships. They've got new jobs. They've manifested vacations. They've manifested money. All these amazing things have happened within those 21 days. But the point is, you should not stop at 21 days. You should make this a lifelong habit. And it's not going to take you a lot of time. To write 10 things with emotions and intensity will take you what? 10 minutes? That's all. Another common question is, can we write gratitude for things in the future? So if you are a beginner in the law of attraction practice, I would highly recommend you stick to writing things that have already happened, things that are right now in your life or something that happened in the past. But don't write gratitude for something in the future. Like if you're trying to manifest a job and then you say, I'm so thankful for getting that job. If you're a beginner, don't do that, because what will happen is when you write that, your conscious mind is going to interfere and say, hey, but you don't already have that job. And then you're going to start feeling bad about it. So we don't want that to happen. What we want to do is raise your vibrations and make you feel really happy and positive and connected. So that's why stick to the things that have already happened, so that your subconscious mind cannot interfere and pull you down. All right? So always stick to things that have happened. And if you're an advanced practitioner, then you can do that, but that's a topic for a separate video. Another question is, what do we do with the diary in which you've written gratitude every day? So there are several things you can do. You can keep it with you because it has a lot of positivity in it, because every day you've accumulated that happiness, that intensity of emotions, that feeling of gratitude every day as you write. So there's a strong connection between you and that book. And over time, you'll realize the minute you pick up that book, you feel so happy because you know what's going to happen. Oh, I'm going to think about all these amazing things in my life and I'm going to feel happy. So even before you start writing, eventually you're going to get there. So you can either keep it as a memory, or some people like to burn it. You can do that as well. So it's totally up to you. I like to keep my gratitude journals, and I don't do anything with it, but it just stays with me. So it's totally up to you. If you feel like someone might read it and you feel more comfortable burning it or burying it, sure, you can do that. Another question is, what other practices should I do along with gratitude writing? So this is a great question. You can start listening to affirmations. Now on my channel, there are a lot of affirmations and I'm going to link it here. But you can start listening to those affirmations depending on the goal that you have. So for example, if you're trying to manifest a job, then you can listen to those affirmations and that will raise your vibrations. And then maybe in the evening, you're writing your gratitude. When you write that, you're not writing about your job, you're writing about all the things that have happened in the past or happening right now, not necessarily related to your future job. It could be, but not necessarily. You can write about that and that will raise your vibration. So overall, your whole vibrations is going to raise, and as you listen to the affirmations, you'll feel more connected instead of feeling like, I'm not feeling really connected. So when you start writing gratitude every day, when you do your affirmations or any other manifestation method, you will realize that your connection has improved. You're starting to feel much more connected and really a positive. So those are all the questions that I had so far about gratitude writing. If you have any other questions that you want to ask me, please leave them below and I will make a part 2 of this video to answer all those questions. And before we end this video, I want you to type in the comment box, what are you grateful for today? Right now in this moment, what are you grateful for? Let's all type in the comment box what we are grateful for right now and spread that positivity so that all the others reading the comments will also be inspired and also feel that connection. I hope you find this video useful. And if you're interested in joining my 21 Days of Gratitude program, it's a self-study program. If you're interested, the details are in the description below and you can click on the link, read all the details, and if you want, you can sign up. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. And here are some gratitude affirmations that you're going to love. And here is a link to a playlist around gratitude writing that I did earlier. So you can watch that as well. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.